So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use the Tinder Dating app. After the installation, let's just open it. When you first open the Tinder app, it will give you this screen with which you can choose to log in with any of these options. So let's firstly log in. Okay, I have successfully logged into Tinder here, and you can see it has got 5 tabs at the bottom. Currently we are on the swiping tab. On the swiping tab, you will find profiles of people based on the age, gender and distance range that you customize in the discovery settings. I'll come back to discovery settings later. So you can just view the person's profile by tapping on this button here. Scroll down and check the profile. Now if you are interested in this person, you can just tap on this heart button. And if you are not interested, you can just tap on this cross button here. Let me tap on heart button here. You can simply tap on the right section to check other photos of the person here. Basically, you can do a right swipe to like the person and left swipe to unlike the person. So that's about the swiping tab. Let's go to the second tab that's called explore. Now the explore tab lets you match with the person based on your interest. Here you can see looking for love, free tonight, let's be friends. So there are specific interests. You can just join a group here, coffee date, join now. And then you can match with the people based on the interest. That's all about the explore tab. Let's go back. And we can go to this third button here that shows the likes that you have received. Currently I have received 27 new likes here, and it also shows the top picks on Tinder. Now let's go to the fourth tab that's called messages. It will just show you the conversation that you have initiated with your matches. So these all are chats that I have initiated. Let's go to the fifth tab that's called profile. You can customize your profile by just tapping on this pencil icon here and add your photos and customize many other things here. Customize your bio, interest, relationship goals, everything about the profile you can customize here. Now let's go to the settings button by tapping on this gear button here. And now it gives you the option to purchase the premium plan on Tinder, or you can also update the phone number, discovery settings, preferred language, and the maximum distance that you want to search for people on Tinder. You can also select the preferred gender and age range, and there's an option to customize the premium discovery, but you can only access this by purchasing Tinder Gold. So you can check all these settings here and customize it as you wish. And at the bottom of settings page, you'll get the option to log out or delete the account. And let's go to swiping tab here, and there's one more option that I had left earlier, that is discovery settings. Tap on this filters button here, and you can select the distance range, preferred gender and the age range. I had already talked about these things in the settings too. Let's go back. So that's all about Tinder. Just right swipe or left swipe the people, and if the person who you had swiped right also swiped you right, then it will be a match. So that's all about Tinder. And on the Tinder profile, just keep the photos that are good looking and attractive, and the photos should show your face clearly. And make sure that you are polite, humble, decent to the people here, and follow all the community guidelines on Tinder. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.